Hey there! For today's activity, we'll be working on shapes together. Let's try doing patterns with shapes. Rectangle, heart. Rectangle, heart. What comes next? A purple rectangle. I'm going to draw a rectangle and color it in. There, we're all done with our shape patterns. That was tricky, but you did such a great job following along. Let's try to identify and color the correct shapes next time.